today we are going to learn how to make a ramp. Here I am just making the spline and changing it to a bit more smoother surface. This is like fast forward video just to show, but you could just have the spline, the line smoother or even with the corners if you like, and just changing all the vertex points of the line according to the topography. So I could make the ramp around this and top of this terrain. Now I'm just going to make this um, kind of for the ramp where it could act like a road. And I'm just going to make this a bit more wider. And outline that. Going to make it again a bit wider, choosing the vertex, moving the vertex so it becomes wider. Yeah. And now again outlining the line according to desired length or width. Okay, so now we are going to use sweep command. Select the line on the modifier list, type sweep. It would sweep to the default shape of the sweep option, but here you could actually use the custom shape and pick this shape. Yeah, pick this shape and it would create the ramp accordingly. You could have any shape like a circular one or anything, and this is what it creates. Um, just make sure that you have, yeah. Now I'm just changing the vertexes accordingly to make it just look a bit more nicer and realistic. Yep. Yeah, so this is the easiest way to make the ramp around the terrain or city block or on anything. What I am going to do is, yep, this. You could make something like this, like from the center line, extrude it, but as we have the rebar, I'm just going to make the pillars like this and align the pillars through this curve that we made earlier. And we are going to array these pillars now. Tools. Tools menu. Um, So from tools menu, you could actually array this according to the path. Like choose the tools and then choose the spacing from the align options, and this is what it creates. Pillars underneath the ramp. Yep, as you can see, pillars underneath the ramp and ramp above the river and everything around the city blocks. Thank you for watching.